We guide you through how to get Creative Commons images from Google safely and properly for reuse. First thing to do is to open Google and search for the type of images you need, then tap Images to switch to image results. After that, tap Tools under the search bar, then open the Usage Right menu and select Creative Commons licenses, which filters the results to images that are publicly marked for reuse. Once you see an image you like, don't download it immediately. Tap it, then visit the source website because Google doesn't host the image license details. On the website, look for the actual Creative Commons license section, which might appear near the image. In the footer or inside the licensing tab, make sure it clearly states a valid Creative Commons license such as CC BY, CC BY-SA, or CCO. Read whether attribution is required because many CC images must be credited properly with the creator's name and license link. After confirming the license is legitimate and not mislabeled, download the image by pressing and holding it, then save it to your device. Because using the image in your project, prepare a quick attribution line if required, such as image by, then the creator name, license under CC BY 4.0. Following these steps projects or protects you from the copyright strikes and ensure every Creative Commons images you get from Google is safe, legal, and ready to use for your content.